Embrace the sense of wonder and awe that fills your heart as you discover the magic of hair luminance and the endless possibilities it holds. Within its pages, find the courage to dream big and chase after your wildest aspirations with unwavering determination. Allow the emotions stirred by hair luminance to fuel your passion and ignite your soul with a fiery intensity. With each exhilarating revelation, feel your spirits soar as you journey towards hair that reflects the boundless energy of your dreams. With hair luminance as your constant companion, let your emotions guide you on this transformative journey, and let each page become a testament to the power of hope and ambition. Let the tender whispers of hair luminance stir your soul and awaken the dormant dreams that lie within. Within its pages, find the courage to embrace your true self and pursue the path that sets your heart on fire. Allow the emotions stirred by hair luminance to fill you with a sense of purpose and clarity, knowing that you are on the verge of a transformative journey. With each heartfelt revelation, feel your spirits soar as you journey towards hair that reflects the essence of your truest self. With hair luminance as your guiding light, let your emotions guide you on this transformative journey, and let each page become a beacon of hope and inspiration.